Welcome back, my friend. Today we're talking about something no English class teaches you, but everyone secretly wants help with.
English for relationships, English for dating, English for connection, attraction, affection, and healthy communication.
Because let's be honest, you can speak work English, you can speak school English, but when it's time to speak heart English, your brain goes blank.
You overthink, you freeze, you can't find the right words, and sometimes you say the wrong ones.
So today's episode is your guide, simple, powerful, natural English for real relationships and real emotions.
Let's start with the basics. How do you show interest without sounding awkward?
Try these. I really enjoy talking to you. I feel very comfortable with you. I like your energy. You're really easy to connect with.
See? Natural, warm, not too much, not too little.
Please, stop using "you are very beautiful." It's sweet, but it's overused.
Try something more meaningful. I love the way you think. You have a wonderful smile. You're really my type of person. Talking to you feels refreshing.
Compliments don't have to be dramatic, just honest.
People get nervous here, but asking someone out is simple when your words are calm.
Use these lines. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? I'd love to see you again. Are you free this weekend? How about we go for a walk together? Can I take you out for dinner?
Soft, polite, confident.
Let's move beyond small talk. Real relationships need deeper language. Try these. I appreciate you being honest with me. I feel safe sharing things with you. You understand me better than most people. I'm grateful to have you in my life.
Those lines build trust instantly. A relationship without boundaries breaks.
Here's how to express your needs in good English. I need a little space to think. Let's talk about this when we're both calm. I don't like being spoken to that way. Can we communicate more openly?
Strong English equals strong boundaries.
When feelings get stronger, language becomes more emotional. Try these. I feel something special with you. You mean a lot to me. I care about you deeply. I think I'm falling for you.
Simple, beautiful, real. Relationships aren't always perfect. You need the right language during conflict.
Use calm phrases like, "Let's solve this together. I'm listening. Tell me what you feel. I didn't mean to hurt you. I understand your side."
Healthy communication is the secret to long-lasting love.
If "I love you" feels too early or too heavy, try these softer lines. You make my days brighter. I feel at peace with you. You're special to me. I love being around you.
Love doesn't always need big words. Sometimes subtle is stronger. Relationships are not just about emotions, they're about communication.
And communication becomes powerful when your English becomes natural.
Use these phrases. Practice them. Build confidence, connection, care.
Whether you're dating, building a relationship, or trying to understand someone you love, the right words can change everything.
Thank you for listening. Share this with someone who needs help expressing their feelings.
And remember, love grows with honesty, and honesty grows with the right words.